So the boiler's been removed. Here's where it is now. So now I need to get hold of this part here, which I could only access if I get the board off the wall. So I'm about to replace this part and then put it all back together again. Well, I'm yet to do the service actually. So see you soon. This was the faulty filling link that was made before. Got a nice new one on now. Now I'm going to begin the steps to put the boiler back on the wall. And here's a new pressure relief valve in place. Gonna make some final preparations and then put this boiler back on the wall again. Right, so the boiler's back on the wall now. Reinstalled again. Ooh. So now on to the next stage, which is okay, I'm doing a full boiler service, but there's something I need to do before then actually. So there's the old electrode assembly. I need to start getting rid of all of these debris now. Right, got it nice and clean now.